All right, what's up, Tiny community? I know you guys are waiting for a video for this one. Ouroboros absolutely still killing it, and it's still looking very promising. If you watch my video, the one that I made about Ouroboros, I gave you a technical analysis aspect of it, and I want to say I was pretty dead on of the technical analysis. The official Ouroboros website will be down below in the description in case you're curious about this one. You're still pretty early on this. Even though you didn't mine day one, things are starting to look very interesting and bullish for ORX. If you want my personal opinion, my honest opinion, the one to be looking at right now, the catalyst for TinyX is ORX. It's still currently at around 9 cents. I'm gonna pull up the chart and I'm gonna point out some key factors about this. I also want to point out one little tweet that I got today. It's pretty funny one. Now, on the last video, like I was just saying a few moments ago, my technical analysis was pretty spot on. And if you listened, if you paid attention, if you took the advice, you would be pretty good right now. In the video, I said, guys, we were overbought on the RSI. That this was going to drop, it was going to have a pullback, it was going to cool off, and that you should not buy. Wait for a pullback and then look into getting into a good position, a better average. I pointed out this could go down to 8 to 9 cents. Where are we at right now? 9 cents. If you waited, if you listened, you're pretty much in a better average. If you have not bought any tokens, this range, not financial advice, but this range is a very solid one to be looking at. Okay, it could still go lower. I want to say between 6 to 8 cents is a very positive buy zone for ORX. The next zone after breakthrough and everything, I want to say 32 cents is looking very solid here for the short to medium time zone. Everybody's aiming for $1. I want to get to 32 cents first. I think until April we could see that 30-cent zone somewhere. If we see higher, perfect, that's even fine, if that's even better. But I did say on that video that 12-cent mark was going to be the top and that we're going to see a pullback. That's exactly what happened to the dot. 12.5 cents and we went down. We saw a pullback, exactly what I said. The RSI went from overbought territory to now normal territory. It's hovering around 59. It cooled off, so now because we are back to that small support zone of around 8.8, now it has enough strength to where it can go higher. What's even crazier is that do you see these blue trend line, random little squiggly lines that I drew? I did these way over here since like the very first few days of January. We are now currently on the 17th of January. I drew these lines saying, look, these 1334s need to go parallel with each other, and if we pop, we go up, cool off, touch off on the 1334, then go higher, and then touch again and go higher. I just literally drew this randomly, having a prediction, and it's pretty spot on right now. I haven't moved these lines. Go check my videos beforehand. You will see they are exactly the same. There's no need for me to redraw these to be able to prove a point to make me look good. I don't care about that. I just want to show you that I'm pretty spot on with my predictions. That's why, and I give you honest predictions as well. That's why you're subscribed. That's why you come to my videos, for honesty, for transparency. If I think it's bearish, I will tell you straight up. And if you get butthurt because of that, if you don't like it, then move along. I'm not going to tell you that this is going to do 100x to buy now. I will tell you, look, this could go a 2x, but there will be a pullback, an 80% pullback. It could go back up 5x, and it could do that same pattern. I will tell you that, okay? I'm trying my best to pull out content in which you guys can trust, in which your portfolio could potentially grow in a healthy and a safe way. Like, if you can buy, I'd rather you guys listen and be like, hold up, if I say this is gonna have a pullback, you wait and it does have a pullback down here, your average can be so much better. It's not guaranteed, but if it does pull back, you can get so many more coins. Your odds of it going right back up to retracing the all-time high or pumping, your odds of profiting are much higher. The probability is there. I'm trying to give you the best probability for your buck. I'm here to help you, okay? So this pattern is looking like it's gonna play out exactly how I'm drawing it. Literally just go up. We have this pull down, touched perfectly on the 1334 line right here. Now we could potentially see another leg up. What do I want to see? What I want to see is break through 13-ish cents, give or take. I don't even want to see 12 cents. I want to see 13 cents. I want to see it break through, and I want it to see one full daily candle stay above 13 cents. If that happens, easily 32 cents is achievable, but with minor pullbacks along the way. It's going to be a healthy breakthrough up here, okay? Still early. It's still a very high potential of great returns. As of right now, even if you were on day one minting, you can claim your tokens with a penalty and you'll still get at least 60 to 80% ROI. But if you wait the full time period, it's going to be thousands of percentages in the positive. But this forfeited amount, this was like 8.1, like 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago. I can't remember. 8.1 or 8.4, somewhere around the lines of that. I'm too lazy to go look it up. But yeah, this is constantly growing. People are growing impatient. The higher the ORX token goes, the more and more weak hands will happen and more people will sell. The easier it will be for people to sell. If you get in today and just start mining some tokens, investing with Titan X, you can claim your ORX within a 28-day time period, which will be until February 14th. But the full maturity date will be until the year is there. Little heads up on that. Almost nobody knows about that, or at least they forget about it. And ORX have been sending out tweets saying that there's barely any supply coming out from now until April. So if USDX launches here shortly, it is confirmed to be at the end of the month, we could be seeing some really good gains on the token price. That's why I keep saying like 30-ish cents. You know, this is a dummy wallet, by the way. My main wallet has a little bit of a ladder. Nothing too big, but I'm still in. It's still looking pretty solid. But I did this one for a dummy YouTube videos for me to show that, yes, I am in, because I know some people are like, you say you're in, but you never do. I get in. Like, if you don't trust me, then so be it, man. But I try my best to be transparent and show that I do get in, because I make dummy wallets for YouTube content videos. All of them are dummy wallets, okay? It's not really a new project, but it's every new project. I always tell you guys, create a dummy wallet, put in the money that you decide to invest into these new protocols, because you may never know what's going to happen. Last thing I want to show is, of course, let's see, there was a specific video of what is it, Chucky, what's his name? I can't even remember, but I sent out a tweet of Ouroboros, and here he is. Yeah, Chuck Boy. If you haven't watched this one, it's just so freaking funny, yo. I like his style, just the way he gives examples. It's pretty chill. This is unique. I'm gonna retweet it actually, because it deserves a retweet. Shout out to Chuck Boy, man. If you haven't watched this one, go watch it right now. It's pretty solid information. He gives good examples. Like if you buy $1,000 worth of ORX right now, would it be worth it? And long story short, it will be worth it. Like $1,000 right now will get you what, 10,000, 11,000 coins, somewhere around there. It will get you X amount, right? And let's say it goes to 33 cents. That is a 3x roughly. So now you're looking at $3,000 and you're in profit 2K. If you go into the miner and you start the investment of here and starting it, of course it's going to take 28 days. There's that risk, right? For until you're able to forfeit and all that. But since the price is already going to start moving up, you might be able to take that early penalty and still be in a good returns. But a lot of people rather have it liquid already in their wallet for them to be able to trade in case of an emergency, in case of, you know, by tomorrow it does something and this is still, you know, not able to do anything. So that price could be looking solid in the next few, give or take 2 weeks. Who knows, man? But that's just something to think about. You know, you can buy off market, you can start miners if you're thinking about, you know, if you're thinking about long-term projection wise, and if you believe in the project, then of course starting some of these, then it would be a pretty ideal idea. But I think personally 50% would be a smart strategy. If you have $500, then buy $500 off the market and start $500 worth here, because at the end of the day, this is gonna get more and more harder to get and less tokens to get. Like it's going to eventually get up here, and the amount of money and time that is going to take to be able to get them coins is crazy. It just gives you more value for ORX. A lot of people are saying, I'm not saying really, but you know, a lot of people are saying $1 billion market cap for Ouroboros. Maybe it could be possible. I don't know. The lending, the whole entire utility behind it, farming, maybe. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Check out Ouroboros. The link's going to be down below. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.